How to Catch a Yeti. Written by Adam Wallace and Andy Elkerton. How to Catch a Yeti. Legend has it, there lives a beast we really want to meet. He's extra huge with snow-white fur and giant fuzzy feet. I know the Yeti does exist, and I can prove it too. So with my friends, we'll find him fast before the day is through.
We'll see about that.
Whoa! Look at this giant footprint set in the mountain snow. And there's a trail just up ahead. I wonder where it goes. Is that a Yeti photograph? How did that get there? Hey, that's the beast we're looking for. We must be in his lair.
Ooh, look!
I knew it. He does exist. Our Yeti friend is real. And look, just over there. I swear I saw his heel.
Good luck trying to catch me.
Can we catch the Yeti? You bet we're going to try. Our crystal snowflakes might have worked, but the Yeti said bye-bye.
Whoa.
Syrup, check. Candy, check. We'll catch the Yeti, no doubt, unless the Yeti is very hungry. Whoops, he just got out.
Oh no!
Yeti or not, here I come.
Quick, he went into that room. We're gonna catch him now. Eep! Where did he go? That tricky dude. He escaped again, but how?
Was a close one.
Swoosh! Dip. Kapow! We thought that marbles, sleds, and snow would finally do the trick. But Yeti's moves are off the charts. That dude is really slick.
Nice try, but I'm Yeti for anything.
This crystal cave is glowing bright. I love the colored lights. Too bad our bubbles didn't work. We forgot about the stalactites.
Sorry, not sorry to burst your bubble.
Grab your gear. We got this, guys. Don't forget to aim. We finally have a trap to win this Yeti catching game.
Now!
Snowflown? More like slow flown.
I thought for sure that this would work, but the Yeti got away. I've got an idea that just can't lose. One more shot. What do you say?
Yes!
Okay, this is our final chance. We haven't caught him yet. Our Yeti Snatcheroo 3000 will catch him quick. No sweat.
Whoa!
Our Snatcheroo was just too slow, and Yeti is too fast. Even though we missed our friend, today we've had a blast.
Jeez.
Okay, thanks for playing, kids, he says. Those traps were so much fun. Please come back and play again. Our friendship's just begun.
Cool. Awesome.
Come again
I'll
soon.
catch you later, or maybe you'll catch me.
The end.